Siti Supriyati. I am 50 years old. I have experience working in Singapore for 4 years, take care of the children. I can cook Singapore food. Before I look after the children in Singapore. 5 years, 5 years old, 3 years old, and one years old. And I have experience working in Hong Kong for 15 years. I can cook Hong Kong food, like I can cook the steam spaghetti, cook the soup, and steam the fish or steam egg or the others food. And I am Muslim. I'm not eat pork, but I can eat pork. I can cook pork.
姐姐啊，咁你喺香港15年啦，咁你係第一份工咧，我就見你係照顧呢個小朋友，跟住都有照顧過老人家。咁你而家想揾照顧小朋友同老人家嘅工係咪啊？
係啊。
係。咁姐姐就你係咪可以可以要放星期日係咪咁啊？
係啊。
係 OK。咁姐姐你最叻煮咩餸啊？
燜排骨，波糖蓮藕，
係。
嗰啲蒸咖喱，
青紅蘿蔔湯啊嗰啲係嘛？
紅蘿蔔湯，都有好多湯啊。
係好多湯，係咪日日煮飯啊，姐姐？
日日我日煮飯。
咁你可以接小朋友返學放學。
係啊。
照顧 BB 都冇問題。
係啊，冇問題。
咁OK，咁好啊，多謝先，多謝姐姐，好，拜拜。
多謝晒，拜拜。